Top news headlines. Manipur Chief Minister and Biren lost media's humanitarian service role in creating consciousness and promoting various welfare schemes. Efforts on to set up an inland fishery institute cum production center, Lake City for Manipur, says MP R.K. Ranjan. Plastic surgery is growing in popularity each year. People want these procedures done for many reasons. And people of Manipur continue to reel under impact of Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister and Biren Singh stated that media plays an important role in enhancing the reach of government schemes and in filling the gaps of service in remote parts of the state. This was stated by him at the media briefing during the joint Miyam-Ginumit and Hill Leaders Day held at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Chief Minister lauded the efforts of the media houses for their commendable humanitarian service and their role in creating consciousness and promoting various welfare schemes in the society. He appealed to the media houses to support the government in bringing inclusive development in the state. He expressed that under the War Against Drugs campaign recently, the combined team of Narcotics and Affairs of Border, NAB and police busted a brown sugar manufacturing factory which led to the seizure of large quantity of drugs worth over rupees 100 crores in the international market. He stated that the government will felicitate the team tomorrow and will give a reward of rupees 10 lakhs to the team for their distinguished service. He also stated that the government is trying its best to provide irrigation facilities to the paddy fields of the state. He mentioned that the government will procure more irrigation pump sets to combat any water shortage in the paddy fields of the state. In a query regarding the row over the border pillar in Technopol district, he maintained that a joint survey comprising of officials from both the countries will be conducted whenever any dispute arises.
Government by the Sarkar MLA Nimfuni. MLA Nimfuzi Manung the MLA Mangatara Pen the Yauba Honasani Imunga Alan Sazi Mark the Pena the Bokona the Yankana Wari Sanari Yankana Wari Sanari I am Basu Halanagre Pena the Bokona the Boko sort out of Wari Sanaga conclusion of a porcani Jagajaga Kachin Kuya the Singilam the aduga gangi manung hanjame area da sangbi rakanda yum nong yuba adagi phamung dagi hogalla bagam da dana leiba wana adagi differently able family sing personnel sing individual kaya government ki schemes bharat sarkar ki scheme state sarkar ki schemes beneficiary kaya da yobungam dana leiramba sing do matam gi puthopi ra kanda hospital the Ubungamamdaba Kaya Mediaki Marumpang, Aduga social activities Kayana Hangan Birakanda Queen Matin Pangungambase Masima Yam Numai Media Friends in Bayam Tagali.
During the function, Chief Minister handed over a loan check of rupees 7 lakh to Mayeng Bamsham Chandramaite, a progressive farmer from Wangu Kaching district. The loan is being given by Manipur State Cooperative Bank. Principal Secretary Health and Nodal Officer of Miyam-Ginumit Volnungmang Volnam, Commissioner Planning and OSD to CM Suman Singh, Secretary to CM N. Jeffrey, IG Administration I.K. Muiva and other senior government officials assisted the Chief Minister in assessing people's complaints.
Comments over the last 2 years, the effort government school ki pass to bagi percentage, position low bagi percentage, khadi hankalai dinako. Asam maduki demerit and merit, asoiba, aranba, khara complain, counter, adu khadilai. Adubu, loinamag ekoi chumme hai bedi hai de, loinamag fare hai bedi hai de, adubu, khara gaidi improvement lai bedo. Madu ekoi encouragement amadi tawda baya da banina. madugi tawbani adu karai da complaint lairiba counter claim lairiba potu de khoi sumthongna badudi honari.
The Chief Minister also extended help to one Khundrakpam Ongbi Mainu Devi, wife of KH Nobin of Thobal Wangmataba Ward number 2. Chief Minister N. Biren gave her a wheelchair along with a health card. She has been suffering from paralysis for the past 2 decades. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan has said plans are afoot to set up an inland fishery institute cum production center and a lake city for Manipur. Briefing media at his Kongba Nandibam Lekai residence, R.K. Ranjan added that the concerned Union Minister has been urged for construction of railway line to connect Imphal with More and Myanmar. The BJP MP said he has also urged the centre to accelerate the ongoing Jiribam Tupul and Tupul Imphal railway project to ensure its early completion. R.K. Ranjan said he also drew the attention of Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju with regard to National Sports University in Manipur during the Parliament session. Responding to R.K. Ranjan's appeal, Rijiju assured him that he would do his best in fulfilling it.
Railway project se torkanda 2020 da muk extend tawre koi 20 ra 26 la do extend tawbuni. Ado budget se hana leram se only 300 crores leram badagi about 10,000 crores ta increase tawre. Do Imphal Tuipul Imphal se as early as possible masi link tawna ba koi kan hairi. Ek is policy gi lakpasida masi strengthen tawna na ba koi na kari haina haige da Imphal to Moregi rail network se Myanmar gi rail network ka connection tawna na ba madugi survey se almost completed Project sanction tawdri ado handaki budget sida koina sigi portion sigi su sanction tawna na bagi request adu de.
Plastic surgery is growing in popularity each year. In the last decade, the total number of plastic surgeries has increased by 98%, a tremendous increase. Here's a report.
Many myths surround the apparently glamorous world of plastic surgery, but in fact plastic surgery is a lot like every other medical specialty, with highly trained physicians providing everything from reconstructive hand surgery to burn scar revisions. On International Plastic Surgery Day, we get you into the inside details of the procedure and what is plastic surgery all about. Plastic surgery is a surgical specialty involving the restoration, reconstruction or alteration of the human body. There are different types of plastic surgery. The birth of plastic surgery all started when wounded soldiers rather than celebrities getting the latest plastic surgery. The First World War saw a huge rise in the number of drastic facial injuries and developed a new method of facial reconstructive surgery in 1917.
It's something which has no beginning. It is something which has no end. It covers every part of the human body. War time da asokpan mayam sina paidana lebakanda dedicated group of surgeons singna makhoi si se kharana manaton yaudaba kharana machin tangkai ma phana pukiba makhoi si karam haina mi marak de tinbe yagadge tilhan gadge haidana a dedicated group of surgeons and doctors. They joined together and started the so-called modern plastic surgery.
Today, people all over the globe get these procedures done for many reasons. Plastic surgery or aesthetic surgery as you call it is huge all over the world.
Cosmetic surgery has become equally important, or probably it is more important now. Mi singsina hungaiba opportunity, hungaiba magi concept of life, magi lifestyle, mayam sinalakpadagi cosmetic surgery now is much in demand.
Some people's emotions have a really big effect on how they think they look. In case of facial deformity, plastic surgery makes one to live a life with dignity. But can plastic surgery really make a person happier?
Beauty is not gender confined or gender defined. I think to be beautiful is the birthright of each and everybody, irrespective of the sex or gender. Adu demand matungina hojikti many young men are also opting, especially the transgenders. Miyam mirakta tilhan bayanaba. Tinbada natana almost functionally normal ohenaba. Honaba se plastic surgeon singi chauraba thudanga mo oipa. Mirakta tilhan lani functionally normal ohenaba honarani masi plastic surgery singi yamna chauraba thudanga mo oipa. Aikhogi hojik sijada su hojik su yamna akhogi a big chunk of time si we are spending in trying to alleviate this sort of a problem. At least pi kangdrab mamadu pi kitang de thopinaba wara bi ibung de kitang noksanaba akoi sijagi chauraba matam changkam akoi naw ju pi de haba smile train project ki makhata ana masi ngamsung ngami habatai ayamba aikhoina honajambana yamna nobu phangdrabi mungda nohanba. I think it's one of the greatest contribution plastic surgery gives to the society.
Health professionals like Professor N.G. Sharma said, as a medical professional, safety is paramount, and on the International Plastic Surgery Day, he appeals to the public that burn is one of the catastrophic incidents in one's life and one should avoid it by all means.
In 2004, 12 women had shocked the country with their nude protests in front of the Western Gate of the iconic Kangla Fort in Imphal, asking the Assam Rifles personnel there to rape us, take our flesh. It was in protest against the brutal murder of Thangjam Manorama.
On this day, 15th of July 2004, personnel of 17th Assam Rifles picked up Thangjam Manorama from her Bamun Kampu residence, and the next day her lifeless body was found dumped at Thungran B. Lokon on Ngarianjing. She was arrested before being tortured and raped repeatedly, and her bullet-ridden body was abandoned there, sending a sensational wave throughout the state. The incident triggered widespread protest across Manipur, which was on boil for weeks.
Mama masak kangdre, mama mapa masak kangdre, nupi bu mama ne ba khau thok khare. Aduna di akhoi khsbai torona. Kai dawru ta ge, akhoi na nupi woi na phi shel budna. Kangla gi mamang sida changchal la kan law. Noi akhoi bu ijat mahal law. Ijat mahal la kap na hal law law. Ai hal law ne imam yam di ya aduk ki mati kan law na.
In the aftermath of the brutal killing of Thangjam Manorama, in order to highlight the pain of the people under Armed Forces Special Powers Act, Mairapaibi organizations on July 14th gathered at a place in capital Imphal. On July 15th, they secretly decided to stage a protest in front of the western gate of Kangla Fort.
Mapana tan thoga manung da thonglon chalaga adugi matik isebu sarak tambaya ba tamaganda amung ma ba mu hoidoro ganda mayam si imung da changjalaga akoi bada bank fair tawdana moina ka pa ka mayam sangak tana bagi damakta adu main tawdana tawi haiba paw ki tami adugi matik ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯁ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯉꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯉꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯪꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯗꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯖꯟꯈꯤ.
As decided, Thokchom Ongbi Ramani, Kaisam Ongbi Taruni, Chungkham Jamini, Haubam Tombi, Soibam Momon, Angom Zibanmala, Laurembam Nganbi, Laishram Gyaneshwari, Sarojini Laima, Yumlembam Mema, late Loitam Ibetombi, and late Mutum Ibemhal gathered together in front of the western gate of Kangla Fort where they staged a nude protest.
Madugi numituda thokiba thodokto hojiksu aigi mitki mamangda monorama lepaga leibagumna ui aikoina matamduda kanglada gate nombado hujik nomi boina khalli aikoigi wakhalsida aduki mate nungai taba mayamna thumattana loikraba imagoigi dihe se hakchang se manipurda nupi ja singbu kannanabagida di sirabasu thawai ase katlabasu tharabasu punsi chuppagi oina lemiba punsi se lepkhige haibase image arepa wakhan.
The then state government claimed curfew under CRPC 144 in the effort to control the rising public protest. However, the government failed to shut the voice of the people. Protesters and corps confronted at different parts of the state. The protest intensified despite efforts of the security forces to curb it.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯕꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯀꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯁꯨꯡꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯕꯒ ꯍꯤꯡꯕꯒ ꯁꯤꯕꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯈꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤ.
Finally, the government of India pulled out Assam rifles from Kangla Fort and Apspa was removed from 7 assembly segments of Imphal. But the Assam Rifles personnel involved in the killing of Thangjam Manorama are yet to be punished and brought to justice.
Well, it's time now for a short break, but coming up, a 12-year-old girl's body found floating in Iril River.
Nationwide #1 oirakliba UNI Consultancy Private Limited na lowest package ta security amadi local guarantor piduna India ge khanaba state singda NRI quota da MBBS tamnaba amadi foreign countries singda MBBS tamnaba gi pandam da SBI gi on campus educational loan da natna lupa lakh amaga listing nimpu scholarship su second semester dagi semester khuding baki phanghangani free year ticket na traga lupa listing nimpu banga gi relaxation gi damak ngasi mag youth library club uripok polem laikai gi mayok na bada laiba corporate office ta lak piduna ngasi contact tobiu hena kupamarol gidama contact tobiru 7005092567 amasung 9007778647 aikhoigi website www.247ununi.com.
Welcome back after the break. One unidentified body was found floating in Iril River between Angomlaikai and Moirangpura Sajeb today. On spot inspection, the dead body was identified as one Thokchom Baby Thoi Chanu, aged 12 years, daughter of T.H. Birze Singh. The deceased was reported as missing at Lamlai police station on July 13th last by father of the deceased. In this regard, an FIR was registered at Lamlai police station. Three drug peddlers were arrested along with 4.6 kgs of opium at Kakching Lamkhai around 11 am today. A combined team of Thobal Commando led by Sachidananda Soibam Thobal Additional Superintendent of Police Operations arrested Kansuwa Morungfun, aged 37 years, of Modun Machi Mathak Part 1, Medar Sang Angmun, aged 40 years, of Angfun Machi Mathak Part 1, and Dangsa Manglem, aged 39 years. They were carrying the drug inside a silver color Maruti van when it was intercepted. The arrested along with the seized opium were handed over to Kakching police station for further legal action. In another incident, two cadres of proscribed outfit KCP Noyon were arrested at Dalpati area of More yesterday around 5:30 p.m. A combined team of More Commando and 43 Assam Rifles arrested Irom Raju Singh alias Kiamba, aged 19 years from Chandrakhong, Thobal, and Ningthauzam Mahesh alias Pibathoi, aged 20 years of Yairipok, Bisnunaha, Thobal district. Both joined the band outfit in 2017 and got their basic training under Ahiba alias Lemba of the outfit. They were handed over to More police station for further necessary investigation, a police report said. Separately, a cadre of the band outfit UNLF was arrested by police near Howland 5 village, More, around 7 p.m. yesterday. The arrested has been identified as Ashem Anil Kumar alias Silnamba, age 25 years of Wangkai, Mahobam Lampak, Imphal East district. He was later handed over to More police station for further necessary legal action. The indefinite ban called by Lamkang Chief Association Chandel along National Highway 102 section of Imphal, More and Palil Chandel Road disrupted normal life in Chandel and Tengnobil district. The ban is in condemnation of the unearthing of body of founder of Chalong village and former chief D. Thamnok from Lamkang Chalong village cemetery on May 18th. The body is still traceless. However, medical and other emergency services were exempted from the purview of the ban. Spokesperson of Lamkang Chief Association, Peter Lamkang, pledged that the ban will continue till the body is found.
Moina masak khangdabana lauthura phukduraga kadaida lotpra hundukpra haiba khangdena tawribasi asi yade asigumba thodoga sidi yamna hines oiba egni barbaric oiba unchristian aigi christian ki dharmo ne yadaba.
The uncle of T.S. Kanring, aged 41 years, who has been detained by police in connection with disappearance of body of Chalong village founder and former chief D. Thamnok from Lamkang Chalong village cemetery on May 18th, has appealed to the police to release him immediately. Kanring hails from New PWD quarter, Chandel. Speaking to media persons, his uncle T.S. Wilson today said that Kanring has been suffering from mental disorder since the death of his wife. He urged the authority for immediate release of Kanring. All Manipur Muslim Students Organization AMSO has demanded a common boys hostel for minority students in Greater Imphal area. At a press meet at Manipur Press Club, AMSO President Pusam Javed Ahmed also urged the government to fully implement the 4% reservation for OBC Meitei Pangal in higher education from the coming academic session. He added that the government needs to provide 150 teachers instead of 114 teachers as per a government order and demanded regularization of the teachers.
Manipur government ga MOU signed down na study olak pa sahi dagi gazette notification thok tuna OBC MP ki 4% reservation system sana ba horakhiba asida ngasi phobada higher education system da chana dana lairi ba se athu bada laingang na lakador be academic session asidagi chana hangadabani aduga hoji wakopata oja cham tram rikhaki verified tawrabo oja cham tram rikhaki tamaga tarama rikhaki tolopi gidami haina Odara Matholi Basi, Amsona Java Sugangamoy, Puno Azasama Zakimaki, Salary Pigadabani, Amadi verification Toro Matunga, technically Yabo Zasindi, regulation the Hangadami Haina, Nasigi Timasita, Convention as Pantokabani.
Organizing Secretary of United Development Committee Hanjabam Muhindro Sharma stated that cleaning of banks of Imphal River, Kongba River and Iri River will be completed soon. During a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Muhindro said that 70 to 80% of the cleaning has been completed so far. He demanded that more water pump sets should be given to farmers.
Adu matang pirang na bukit thorong tawri ba si sudum piri kyang may piri araptiki piri langdum piri adiki muslim side ama piri muslim side jo ama pibu duna lokul saw na ama pirak duna dum singaga dum tawri matang yorok hini aduna haipatang kano tawiraga ising ikang thokui wapamji akoi ujiksu kano khona duna department dagi pam khra hem khra pibiu adu akoi local jingje corona baching ko na jigena ina akoina department kan tanajari.
Let's take a short break once again, but coming up, HRO Jiribam strongly condemns life attempt on human rights defender U Novakishore and Urikimbam Thoibi. More after the break.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidate singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manung da masagi hospital laizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 600-90-62261 Natraga 87-940-26277.
Welcome back. Handicap Rehabilitation Organization HRO Jiribam has strongly condemned the life attempt on human rights defender U Nobokishore and Urikimbam Thoibi, daughter of activist Mangsatabam Sobita, on the night of July 14. Unidentified gunmen reportedly fired several shots at the houses of the duo around 7:30 p.m. No one was injured in the attacks. During a press meet at the conference hall of Ziri News Network, General Secretary of HROTS Ranita Devi appealed to the concerned authority to nab the culprits. Urembam Mukul Singh has been selected to represent India in the upcoming 10th Junior Asian Taekwondo Championship, which will be held on 21st July to 22nd July in Amman, Jordan. He will participate in 50 kg weight category. Recently, he got a silver medal in 2nd Indian Open International Taekwondo Championship, Hyderabad 2019. He got gold medal in 38 Junior National Taekwondo Championship 2019. Mukul is the son of Urembam Maheshwar Singh and Urembam Subhashini Devi, West Baluhandar, Lanka, Assam. He got selected in National Sports Academy, Khumman Manipur in 2012. He represented Manipur and got many medals. The launch of Chandrayaan-2, India's most ambitious space mission yet, was called off early this morning by the Indian Space Research Organization due to a technical snag, ISRO said. President Ramnath Kovind was present at the spaceport for the mission. The members of the Assam Congress today demanded that the floods in Assam be declared a national problem. The members staged a protest in the premises of the parliament, accusing the centre of step-motherly treatment towards Assam for not announcing any special package or releasing funds after the floods. Torrential rainfall in the state has led to floods in large parts in Assam. The MPs blame the government in the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP-ruled state for failing to prevent the devastation created by floods. Holding placards, the MPs demanded the BJP-led Assam government to combat with flood on war footing manner. Around 85 relief camps have been set up for relief and rescue purpose, with lakhs of people from 28 districts being affected by the advent of floods in the state. 14 people, including 13 army men, died and several sustained injuries when a building collapsed owing to heavy rain in Solan district of Himachal Pradesh yesterday. About 42%, including 30 defense personnel and 12 civilians, were trapped when the multi-story building on the Nahan-Kumarhati road came down around 4 p.m. The top floor had a restaurant where many people, including army personnel, were dining. Rescue operations were being jointly conducted by the National Disaster Response Force, NDRF, the police and the district administration. The injured have been admitted to the Maharishi Markandeshwar Medical College at Kumarhati and the Civil Hospital at Dharampur. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Nagaland's government's register of indigenous inhabitants hits roadblock. Fear of flood lurks at Kiamgai Muslim. Mizoram flood, 3 dead, 300 houses submerged, over 500 families affected. Mobile app for currency notes identification likely. The People's Chronicle. SFs launched manhunt as UGs deny involvement. Bodies flee. Government outlines steps to end Kashmir Northeast problems. Males at Imakait Hill upsets Makpal. Over 300 empty tankers to lift Imphal today. Landslides cut off IT road. Imphal Free Press. Pilferage admits scarcity at the Manipur Bhavan, Delhi reported. UKLF points finger at KNA over Moray killing. Social worker asked MLA Biren to resign on moral ground. Presence of male vendors in Imakait Hill worries women vendors. Cookie bodies condemn Moray killing. The Morning Bell. BJP MLAs slay MDA leaders for wrong allegations. John Gangte killing spurs wide condemnations. KNO denies hand behind it. Centre stepping to curb infiltration in Northeast states. Chandil among 14 Northeast districts selected for development of basic sectors. Government to bring in petroleum and LPG products through Silchar Imphal Road. Manipur Mail. Mizoram flood, 3 dead, 300 houses submerged. Entire Northeast faces flood crisis. 56th Foundation Day of Bharat Vikas Parishad celebrated. Yediyurappa demands trust vote.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Lod's media's humanitarian service role in creating consciousness and promoting various welfare schemes. Efforts on to set up an inland fishery institute cum production center, Lake City for Manipur, says MP RK Ranjan. Plastic surgery is growing in popularity each year. People want these procedures done for many reasons. And people of Manipur continue to reel under impact of Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.